piping a buttercream swirl. Freshen your buttercream briefly by giving it a beat by hand before you start. Taking your palette knife, pick up a generous amount of buttercream and secure to the top of your cupcake. Now clean your knife. Holding your palette knife flat, press down onto the buttercream, bringing the knife towards you, cutting the buttercream against the edge of the cupcake wrapper. Rotate the cake and repeat the steps until you have a flat-topped cupcake. Now, starting in the centre, squeeze firmly to anchor the icing, and then lift the nozzle and start swirling outwards to create a complete swirl. Gently pull away in the same direction. Use the large closed star tip nozzle and make sure the icing is squeezed right down to the tip all the time. Cover the end of your swirl with a decoration.